Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 17th of October 2023. The indices erased all the previous session losses and ended higher on October 17th, with Sensex rising 261.16 points or 0.39% and closed at 66,428.09, while the Nifty closed at 19,811.50, up 79.70 points or 0.4%. Top gainers on the Nifty were BPCL, Power Grid Corporation, and SBI Life Insurance, while losers included Tata Motors, L&T, and UPL. Talking about the corporate segment, we have KUMAR Infra Projects shares jumped 5% in trade, hitting a new 52-week high on October 17 after the infrastructure player received a letter of acceptance for a project worth 509 rupees crore, of which KUMAR Infra Projects is the sole bidder in receipt of the LOA. The company will provide tech accommodation and allied infra for the Command Hospital, Lucknow in an engineering, procurement and construction mode. The total consideration for the project is 590 rupees crore, including GST. The project is estimated to take 90 months, with 30 months for construction and 60 months for maintenance. Shares of KIOCL zipped 20% for the second consecutive session on October 17 after operations resumed at its pellet plant unit in Mangalore on October 14. The operations were temporarily suspended due to the unavailability of iron ore fines and essential maintenance. In the last 5 days, KIOCL shares have rallied more than 44%. In the past year, the stock has demonstrated consistent growth with gains of around 160%. Over the past 6 months, the stock has risen by over 130%, outperforming benchmark Nifty 50, which has rallied around 12% during this period. Shares of MIC Electronics were locked at the 5% upper circuit to hit a 52-week high of 40 rupees per share on the BSE on October 17 after the company bagged orders worth 3.55 rupees crore from the Central Railways Hyderabad division. In less than 3 weeks, the company had bagged 3 other orders from Central Railways, one from the Hyderabad division, 3.38 rupees crore, and others from Vijayawada, 1.5 rupees crore, and Kota divisions, 2.7 rupees crore. The stock of this small-cap company has surged 39% in a month as against a 2% decline in the benchmark Sensex during the same period. Earlier, the stock had sunk to a 52-week low of 10 rupees apiece on November 18, 2022. Shares of ICICI Securities surged 8% in early trade and hit a 52-week high of 683 rupees on October 16 after the company reported stellar earnings for the July-September quarter. The broking company recorded a 41% surge in its net profit to 423.6 rupees crore during July-September, sharply up from 300 rupees crore in the same period of the preceding fiscal. Revenue also jumped 45.5% on year to 1,249 rupees crore, while total assets under management rose 12% to 65 rupees lakh crore. Meanwhile, the operating margin also expanded year-on-year to 64.9% in July-September as against 61% in the base period. SAVITA Oil Technologies added more than 4% to hit a 52-week high of 355 rupees in the early trade on October 17 after the company commissioned a new manufacturing plant in Maharashtra. The company on October 16 said it successfully commissioned a synthetic ester plant at its facility in Marad. The multipurpose plant, designed to manufacture synthetic esters for transformer fluid applications, will also have the capability to manufacture synthetic esters for high-performance automotive and industrial lubricants. Synthetic esters, because of their high thermal stability and good dielectric properties, are also the preferred choice for use as electric vehicle coolants, immersion cooling of batteries, as well as data center cooling fluids, the company said. Shares of VYSYA Bank up more than 4% higher on October 17. On October 16 the bank announced a 51% year-on-year increase in net profit for Q2 financial year 2024. In a regulatory filing, VYSYA Bank reported a net profit of 378 rupees crore for the quarter ending September 2023, a 51% increase from 250 rupees crore during the previous fiscal. Operating profit for the period grew 12% year-on-year to 638 rupees crore from 572 rupees crore for the same period. KIOCL Limited in daily time frame is trading around 476.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 5.863 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 365.50, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.56. Keynote Financial Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 164.55 points with a change of 19.98%, and is trading with a net volume of around 333.386 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 127.50, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.95. Sinavista Limited in daily time frame is trading around 20.50 points with a change of 19.88%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.317 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 16.60, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.68. For stocks to watch, we have Biocon looks good on current market price of 254.9. It can be bought at 255 rupees, keeping target of 261 rupees with stop loss of 249. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.